In this video, you will learn how to import a Shopify product from one store to another. First, log into your original store. Then, go to the Shopify admin for the store that you want to export the product from. Export product. In the admin dashboard, go to products. Click on the export button in the top right. Choose the export, all products or the selected one. Choose the file format. This could be CSV for Excel, Numbers or any other spreadsheet program. Click Export Products. The CVS file will be emailed to you or downloaded directly. Log into the second store. Go to the Shopify admin panel of your second store that you want to import the product to. Import products. Go to the product, click Import. Click Add File and then upload your CSV file that you exported earlier. Click Upload and continue. Shopify will show you a preview of the data. If everything looks good, click Import Product. Check. After importing finishes, go to the product to review its imported image. Double check the images, descriptions, prices and more, especially if you're using a different app or theme. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.